estate is all about relationships, but sometimes the most powerful connections happen when you least expect them, like 30,000 feet in the air or 3 decks above sea level. Hello everyone, I'm Britta Becker, your trusted Tampa Realtor and local market expert. I also host Selling Tampa on American Dream TV, a nationally aired Emmy-nominated and Telly winner television network. I help people just like you buy, sell, invest, and relocate to the beautiful Tampa Bay area every day. But today I'm bringing you along for something a little different and a little personal. In real estate, success isn't just about transactions, it's about relationships. Relationships that grow, evolve, and deepen over time. I believe that to be the heartbeat of this business, and sometimes the best way to nurture those connections, old and new, is by stepping away from my office and into a new adventure. For me, that adventure is a cruise. I know, not the first thing you think of when it comes to real estate, right? But cruising gives me the space to recharge, reset, and refocus. It's also an unexpected yet powerful way to network and meet fascinating people from all over the world, many of whom are curious about making Tampa their next home. Whether I'm chatting poolside with someone thinking about relocating to Florida or enjoying dinner with a couple looking to invest in a second home, these casual conversations often spark meaningful connections that later turn into real estate relationships. Because let's face it, real estate is a people-first business. It's about trust, timing, and staying top of mind when someone is ready to make a move. And that's what this video is really about. How lifestyle and business can beautifully intertwine. But I also believe in living fully, exploring, reconnecting with myself, and showing up refreshed for my clients with new energy, new insights, and new stories to tell. So whether you're thinking of moving to Tampa, investing in real estate, or you're here just to get a glimpse of how I balance work and life, I hope this gives you a little behind-the-scenes look at what it means to build a brand through authentic connection. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe, and follow along, because I've got a YouTube channel filled with Tampa market updates, real estate tips, and lifestyle content, and more coming your way. Oh, and by the way, if we happen to meet on a cruise one day, don't be shy. Let's connect.